Hello everyone, a new IPO is going to hit the market. Let's look for some details. Name of the company is Baba Food Processing India Limited. Incorporated in April 2015, Baba Food Processing is an agro-food manufacturing company. The company has established its footprints in branded consumer as well as bulk food markets producing wheat flour products. The company manufactures wide range of products including whole wheat atta, wheat flour, refined flour, Maida, Tandoori Atta and Semolina flour, Sooji. The core strength of the company lies in the following: extensive distribution network and presence in various retail channels. Wide range of products such as whole wheat atta, wheat flour, refined flour, Maida, Tandori Atta and Semolina flour, Sooji, to address a large consumer base. Strong client and supplier relationship. Quality assurance and quality control of our products. IPO opens for subscription on 3rd November, offer will close on the 7th of November. Allotment will be on the 10th of November, listing will be on the 16th of November. Minimum investment amount required by retail investors is 121,600 rupees. Price band is 72 rupees to 76 rupees per share. Lot size is of 1600 shares. Total issue size is 33 crore rupees. Fresh issue is 33 crore rupees. Listing will be at NSE SME platform. Key performance indicator are: price to earning ratio is 16.14, return on equity 20.14%, return on capital employed 15.81%, earning per share is 4 rupees and 20 paise. Return on net worth is 20.14%. Object of the issue: investment in a wholly owned subsidiary, Panchakanya Foods Private Limited, for setting up a manufacturing unit in Patna, Bihar, comprising an ultra-modern highly automated roller flour mill and chakki whole wheat atta mill. 2. Funding purchase of machinery for manufacturing chickpea flour, besan, and roasted gram flour, sattu, in our existing manufacturing unit in Ranchi. 3. Funding working capital requirements of the company. 4. Prepayment or repayment of all or a portion of certain outstanding unsecured borrowings availed by the company, and general corporate purposes. Ahead of the issue opening, the company's shares are commanding a healthy premium of 24 rupees in the unlisted market. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.